Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Tesla's futuristic robots and what they mean for us. Yeah, you heard that right. Tesla isn't just making waves in the EV space anymore. They're building robots too, and not just any robots, but ones that could revolutionize how we work, live, and interact with technology. We're talking next-level automation here, people. Imagine a world where robots handle dangerous jobs, boost productivity, and maybe even make us question what it means to be human. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But is it all sunshine and roses? We'll be dissecting the potential benefits and drawbacks of Tesla's robots, exploring everything from increased efficiency and safety to the ethical dilemmas and job displacement concerns. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the future of robotics. First up, let's talk about efficiency. Tesla's robots are designed to automate repetitive, physically demanding, or even dangerous tasks. Think manufacturing, construction, you name it. This isn't just about replacing human workers, though. It's about optimizing workflows, reducing errors, and ultimately boosting productivity to levels we've never seen before. Imagine a factory where robots work around the clock, tirelessly assembling intricate components with precision and speed that would make even the most skilled human worker jealous. We could see faster production times, lower costs, and a surge in overall output, potentially revolutionizing entire industries. But it's not just about the speed, right? These robots are designed to be incredibly precise, minimizing errors and ensuring consistent quality. This means less waste, less rework, and ultimately a more sustainable and efficient approach to manufacturing. And let's not forget about the dangerous jobs that robots could take over. From hazardous material handling to deep-sea exploration, robots could keep humans out of harm's way while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Okay, so we've talked about the potential benefits of Tesla's robots, but let's address the elephant in the room: job displacement. It's no secret that automation has the potential to replace certain job sectors. As robots become more advanced and capable, it's natural to wonder about the impact on human employment. Now, some argue that this shift will create new job opportunities in fields like robotics engineering, maintenance, and programming. And yeah, that's definitely possible. But it's crucial to consider the potential for a skills gap and the need for retraining programs to help workers adapt to these new roles. We need to be having serious conversations about social safety nets, education, and job training initiatives to ensure a smooth transition for workers who might be affected by these technological advancements. It's about finding a balance between progress and social responsibility. Now, let's shift gears to a more positive aspect: safety. Tesla's robots have the potential to drastically improve workplace safety across various industries. Think about it. Robots can take over dangerous tasks that put human workers at risk. We're talking about things like handling hazardous materials, working in extreme environments, or performing repetitive motions that can lead to injuries. By taking humans out of these risky situations, we can create safer work environments and potentially save lives. And it's not just about preventing accidents. Robots can also help us respond to emergencies more effectively. Imagine a team of robots assisting with search and rescue operations after a natural disaster or containing a chemical spill. The possibilities are pretty mind-blowing. Now let's dive into some of the ethical concerns surrounding advanced robotics. One of the biggest questions is, how much autonomy should we give these machines? As robots become more intelligent and capable of making decisions independently, we need to establish clear ethical guidelines for their programming and operation. We also need to address privacy concerns. Tesla's robots will likely collect and process vast amounts of data, and it's crucial to have safeguards in place to protect user privacy and prevent misuse of this information. Transparency is key here. And then there's the question of control. How do we ensure that these robots are used for good and not for malicious purposes? It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but it's a conversation we need to be having as we venture further into the age of advanced robotics. Finally, let's talk about technological dependence. As we become more reliant on robots to perform tasks, we need to consider the potential risks of system failures or malfunctions. What happens if a robot malfunctions in a critical situation? How do we ensure the reliability and resilience of these systems? We need to develop robust safety protocols, redundancy measures, and fail-safe mechanisms to mitigate these risks. It's about finding the right balance between embracing innovation and ensuring our own safety and well-being. And then there's the question of what happens if we become too reliant on robots. Will it stifle human ingenuity and problem-solving skills? It's something to ponder as we navigate this new technological frontier. Cool. That's a wrap on our look at Tesla's futuristic robots. What do you think? Are the pros worth the cons? Let us know in the comments below. From increased efficiency and safety to job displacement concerns and ethical dilemmas, Tesla's robots raise a lot of questions about the future of work, technology, and humanity itself. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but one thing is clear. Robotics is rapidly advancing, and it's time to start thinking critically about the implications of these advancements. Whether Tesla's robots will be a game changer or a threat remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, the future of technology is here, and it's full of both exciting possibilities and challenges we need to address. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights.